Hi, welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today we have another Mac tutorial. And in this super quick video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Mac Mini. Now, if you have the latest Mac OS, then it is really simple. All you need to do is come to the top right hand corner here and press the little Apple logo. Then you want to come down and select System Settings. Then come down to General here. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and find Transfer or Reset. Then you'll see Erase All Content and Settings at the bottom here. You want to select this. Then you want to enter the password that you log into your Mac Mini on. Then select Unlock. And this is all the information that will be erased off your Mac. If you have more things added to your Mac, more will be listed here. You simply just press Continue. Then you want to sign into iCloud. So once you get the password correct, press Continue. Then you'll get this pop-up. You are about to erase all content and Mac settings from this Mac. All data, settings and apps will be erased. This cannot be undone. Your screen may be dark for a while your Mac is being erased, and your Mac may restart more than once. This process is complete when your Mac displays hello on the screen. So if you're happy with that, select Erase All Content and Settings. And as it says, as you can see, it'll restart, and maybe a few times. When you see this mouse here and this keyboard, this means you've completely reset your Mac. I'll add a keyboard and mouse, connect to the Wi-Fi. As you can see, when it restarts, there you go, hello. Now at this point, you could go and trade in your Mac, sell it, or do whatever you wish. That's how easy it is to do on the latest Mac OS. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.